A photodiode is a p-n junction or pin semiconductor device that consumes light energy to generate electric current. It is also sometimes referred as photodetector, photosensor, or light detector. Photodiodes are specially designed to operate in the reverse bias condition. Reverse bias means that the P side of the photodiode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and N side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Photodiode is a very sensitive to light, so when light or photons fall on the photodiode, it easily converts light into electric current. Solar cell is also known as area photodiode because it converts solar energy or light energy into electric energy. However, solar cell work only at bright light. Next, objectives and limitation of photodiode. Photodiode should be always operate in reverse bias condition. Applied reverse bias voltage should be low. Generate low noise, high gain, high response speed, high sensitivity to light, low sensitivity to temperature, low cost, small size, long lifetime. A normal P and N junction diode allows a small amount of electric current under reverse bias condition. To increase the electric current under reverse bias condition, we need to generate more minority carries. The external reverse voltage applied to the P-N junction diode will supply energy to the minority carries but not increase the population of minority carries. However, a small number of minority current are generated due to the external reverse bias voltage. The minority current generated at N side or P side will recombine in the same material before they cross the junction. As a result, no electrical current flow due to the chant carries.
We go to types of photodiodes. The first one is PN photodiode. This photodiode provides useful in a variety of situations because it does not necessitate reverse bias. This is employed throughout minimal light scenarios. For the second one is PIN photodiode. It catches photons of light with greater effect than that of a PN photodiode. It has a huge surface for collecting as well as converting light. The third photodiode is avalanche photodiodes. These photodiodes operates at quite a stronger reverse bias, allowing for multiplying the force as well as electrons. For the last one, photodiode is Schottky photodiode. Such a photodiode is made up of multiple Schottky diodes that allow fast as well as selective wavelength identification.
Okay, next I will talk about the interaction of LED. Light emitting diode is what the LED stands for. An LED is a PN junction diode that is primarily utilized as a light source. The advantage of the LED over conventional incandescent light are essentially low power consumption, small size, a great range and capacity to maintain quality over the extended length of time. It has a wide range of use, include those for traffic light, medical equipment, camera flash, aircraft line, and automobile lamps.
Next is type of LED. Number one is dimmer switch. The LED is available with dimmer switch similar to other bulbs. The dimmer switch is normal in incandescent bulbs doesn't work well when compared to dimmer switch with LED bulbs. So it is advisable to replace standard bulbs with LED bulbs as it operates with minimal wattage than other standard bulbs. Number 2 is color LED. The color LED attracts every person and is available in 3 varieties like cool white LED, warm white LED, daylight LED. Most of the home use halogen bulbs which are warm white. The color in the daylight LED which is has dark white and hint blue in it, which is mainly used for highlighting the real color. Number 3 is the LED tubes for lighting. It is implemented to substitute the fluorescent tubes, and in a few cases it can be the single hanging replacement. The other design require new ballast and rewiring. It operates by offering a series of LED miniatures along the tube length and is accessible in all the size which fits as expected.
So next, I want to introduce is laser diode. A laser diode is a semiconductor that generates coherent radiation with the same frequency and phase, either in the visible or infrared spectrum by means of a PN junction. The technology behind it also goes by the name of injection laser diode, and it is comparable to LED technology. Laser diodes are capable of producing a focused beam of laser light with uniform wavelengths across the entire spectrum. This characteristic makes laser beams incredibly brilliant and enable them to be focused across relatively small areas. Many equipment including barcode reader, laser printer, security system and fiber optic communication use laser diode. That's all. So here are type of laser diode. First, double heterostructure laser diodes. A heterostructure material is one that is sandwiched between two N-type and two P-type materials. This kind of laser diode is known as a double heterostructure DH laser diode due to the presence of heterostructure material. The active region of this diode is used for greater optical amplification, which is its key benefits. Second is quantum wave laser diode. In this diode, the quantum wave is a very thin middle layer. Quantum energy is responsible for greater efficiency by converting electrons from higher energy to lower energy. Third is confinement heterostructure laser diode. There are 2 extra layers in addition to the 3 layers. These layers have a lower refractive index, which improve light emission. Lastly, vertical cavity surface emitting laser diodes. The optical cavity in this kind of laser diode runs parallel to the axis of current flow. That's all.
Around the simple word is a waste.